Gurjara Venkatappa Rao died on 30th November 1915, aged 53, in Srikakulam, Madras Presidency, British India, now in Andhra Pradesh, India. Gurjara Venkatappa Rao, known for Kanyasulkam, Sarangadara, Mutyala Saralu, Purnamma. Gurjara Venkatappa Rao married Appal Narasamma in 1885, both of them blessed with one daughter Lakshmi Narasamma and one son Venkataramdasu. Gurjara Venkatappa Rao, facilitated with awards, Emeritus Fellow, University of Madras, has given this Emeritus Fellow. In 1897, Kanyasulkam was published by Vavilla Ramaswamy Sastrulu and Sons and dedicated to Maharaja Anand Gajpati. Gurjara Venkatappa Rao, along with his brothers Shyamal Rao, wrote